Hello lovelies, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make this beautiful and delicious snacks using Thom Browne. Yes, if you have Thom Browne powder, come on, let's do this. Okay, so learn how to do this snack and then do it for your family. Yes, so I have here peanut butter, Thom Browne powder, and I also have a lot of spices. I have sugar. The spices that I'm going to be using is ginger, that is ginger, and this is powdered pepper, and I have salt to taste, black pepper, and then cloves powder. Yes, so those are the ingredients. So yeah, so if you have your Thom Browne powder, you can make this snack for your family. Okay, so I'm just adding all the dry ingredients together. The Thom Browne powder, which is 1 cup, ginger, all the dry ingredients, of course. Okay, so I'm just going to give that a very nice stir. I'm just going to mix everything together. You can use a whisk if you have some. Okay, so yes, after the dry ingredients have mixed nicely, I'm going ahead to add my peanut butter or groundnut paste. Okay, so this should be added gradually. Yes, because we are going to go ahead to mix everything together with your spatula, okay, or your spoon. So yep, for the measurement of the ingredients, I'll put them in the description box below. Okay, so yes, for the Thom Browne powder, I used 1 cup of Thom Browne powder. For the peanut butter, it depends on how you want your snack to look like. Okay, yes, so the original recipe, we don't use Thom Browne powder. We use corn, roasted corn powder. Okay, for the original recipe. So this is kind of like a twist to it. For me to use Thom Browne powder to make this snack is a twist. Okay, so yes, so I go ahead to put the peanut butter and then mix it so well. This is how it looks like after I have mixed it so well. Okay, so I'm going ahead with my clean hands. You have to wash your hands very well because you are going to be molding this into round shapes. Okay, so this is just how I'm going to mold each snack. Basically, it's so simple doing this snack. When you mold it nicely, you put it in your plate, and that is it. That is just how to do it. Yes guys, this snack is very delicious. It's called Dakuwa. The original recipe, we used roasted corn flour. Okay, roasted corn flour to do it, or roasted corn powder to do it, but it's a twist that I'm using Thom Browne powder to make this snack. Very spicy, delicious snack. Yes, and this is it. We enjoy this so well in this house. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.